Welcome to Hamilton Lake, where you'll enjoy year-round living along with year-round lake enjoyment. This stunning home is in Crystal Cove and offers a great sandy bottom, calm clear water, perfect for swimming, fishing, kayaking, and paddleboarding, and only minutes out to the main part of the lake to enjoy water skiing and boating fun. With 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, you'll have plenty of room for guests to enjoy fun summer days on the lake. The open layout showcases water views with tons of windows and stunning wood laminate flooring. The open kitchen features a massive pantry, tons of cabinets, and an island with bar seating, and opens to a dining space and great room. The spacious master suite offers a walk-in closet as well as a spacious ensuite bath. Head on down to the walkout lower level for even more entertaining space and a patio access to the lake, where the pier not only stays with the home, but can stay in the water all year round for easy lake living. Come and see what Hamilton Lake is all about. You'll fall in love with the golf cart friendly community, the sunrises and sunsets, the restaurants and events, and all that this all sports lake has to offer. Call Lindsay Walker Moore to get all the details.